Find the line. And 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Welcome to qualification match number 63 at the Canadian Pacific Regional. Within 1 second of the start of these pre-programmed instructions, we already have a note flailing outside of the field over on the blue side of the field. Take a look at the Hawaiian kids here for red, dialing in that autonomous over the course of the weekend. They'll pick up 5 points per note scored, and they contributed a whole lot of them into that Red Alliance speaker there in autonomous. Red Alliance 21, Blue Alliance 5 as drivers now will take the controls. Already both alliances have used their cooperation bonus, so they qualified for an amplification of their speaker and chose to instead hit the yellow buttons on the insides of the field there. They now each only need 15 notes scored between their speaker and their amp to get the melody bonus rank point. See how that shakes out for them here later in the match. So far, all 6 robots are moving. There's the Hawaiian kids scooping up another, that was 5 points to the Red Alliance score, thanks to their amplified speaker. They will reset very quickly back to the loading zone, and scoop up another note. Bit of a change of strategy for them here from what we've seen prior in the weekend. They're also playing the amp by themselves here, maybe in part to make up for their alliance partners. That's Strike out of Brazil, having some connection difficulties in midfield. They're ranked 13. Very clutch match for them here. This is probably their last or second to last qualification match of the weekend. They'd love to stay near that top 8. The top 8 get invited to be our alliance captains later on. Just shy of a minute left to play. Let's check in our Blue Alliance. They're trailing by nearly 40 right now. We've got Thunder Tech, rookie team from Maple Ridge, lining up with the Blue Alliance speaker. They were trying to launch a note at it. It's just not going to go this time. Their alliance partners, Ursa Major out of Surrey, are lined up with the amp. 1 point contribution to the alliance score. It's good with no real drama to speak of. Our Red Alliance is back towards their stage, lining up. Actually, forget lining up. One of them's already airborne. We've got Strike on stage. Now that they got their communications back, they just made use of it as soon as they could. Human players tossing these notes, these high notes up and over towards the microphones. No dice spotlighting any of those robots on the red stage. Blue Alliance looking to get any robot up on stage that they can, but time is going to expire before they do so. And for the first time, I think maybe in the quals, we'll see the Hawaiian kids stay at sea level. That one is a Red Alliance victory. Your final score there is 71 points red, 19 points blue. And checking out those rank points there, 2 for winning the match and 1 melody bonus for getting 15 points, or 15 notes scored rather, between the amp and the